everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I want to welcome those who are new to the channel. If you like this type of content where I share reviews, pattern reviews, some collabs here and there, actually Sundays was a collab, and I made something new. If you're interested in any and all of those things, hauls and all of that, definitely consider subscribing. And also don't forget to thumbs up this video on your way out. So what is today? And the sun is going in and out. So today is, as you can tell by the title, let me just hold it up here. Hold her up here. My prototype. She is here and there's stuff inside. What is inside? Of course, I'm not going to tell you. And of course, I'm not going to show you anything. That is the point for the sewing themed advent box. For those who are familiar with advent boxes, I have said before in the previous video when I talked about the launch of these and them coming and to get on the wait list and all of that, I shared that the reasons I wanted to do this, most of the advent boxes I have seen have all been overseas, Europe and the UK, and I've always wanted one. And then it came to a point where I've always wanted to do one. So this is one of those many ideas that's always brewing. And of course there's still other things brewing, but things are always brewing, and those who are members would have seen and heard about this a few months ago. But at any rate, yeah, I've always wanted to do one, and I decided let's give it a go. And when I announced it and I said, hey, if you're interested, get on the wait list. And so yeah, the wait list far exceeded what my initial expectations of how many boxes I would offer. So I did bump that up a little bit. And so it has already been live to those who are on the were on the wait list, I should say. And now it's open to everyone. So it's been live, but by the time you see this, a couple days, and with that limited quantity. So if you are thinking about grabbing one for yourself, maybe you and a friend or something like that, or maybe gifting to someone, getting it to give to someone else, I would say go ahead and grab it. I will have the link down in the description box. One of the things I will share that I picked up, so all of the items that's in the box is 12 days. Did I say that? If I did not, for those who are new, it is 12 days. It's an advent box, 12 days of sewing themed items. There will be a variety of sewing themed items, tools, notions, all kind of little good stuff. Plus, because if you've ever shopped SewNaturalDane before, in the past, if you've come to the retreat in the past or any of my events, you know I always like to spoil and do a little extra. And so yeah, there is a little extra in each box. The fun thing that I will be working on, because I think this is the final Wednesday in the month of October that you're seeing this video, the fun thing I get to start doing is deciding what order I want you all to open, for those who purchased it, to open up your gifts. So that's the fun part, because I'm like, oh, what do I, well, the first thing I know already is kind of common sense for me to, yes, this will be the first thing that you open. But then after that, it's like, okay, how do I want to, you know, do each day? And it's 12 days. So you would start opening it up on, I believe that's the 13th, and you end on the 20, or is it the 12th? And you end on the 24th. Yes, Christmas Eve is the last day. Or if you want to start opening it up on the 13th and the last day you open is the 25th, there are no rules. And so, but the day to open, 12th or the 13th, 12th or the 13th, which means I will be sending these boxes out the last week of, should be the last week of November, sooner if I can. I just want to time it good, because again, that's around Black Friday. You know, when you start mailing things out, I at least want things to start going out in the mail. If I can do earlier, I more than likely will, just because I really want to make sure. I know how things can slow down, you know, take an extra 2 or 3 days to get something around the holiday, especially if you're Black Friday shopping, a lot of postal things and all of that. So yeah, that's but that is what the aim is, that final week of November, and start sending them out. If you're on the list, and I'll of course be posting updates, sending out to the newsletter as well, you'll find out when everything has shipped. And so, and you'll get the shipping notification, obviously, right? So yeah, that is what I am so excited about. I am very excited, I mean, to have so many people interested. And a few of the messages that I received is people were looking for something in the US to purchase, because they have normally purchased from the UK and all of that in the past, and with the advent of tariffs and all of that, that makes that unfeasible, or not feasible for some. For others, you know, it doesn't matter. But for those who wanted to get something here out of the US that you wanted to support, so I greatly appreciate that. One of the things I can share, I don't mind sharing because I just picked these up yesterday, the day before I'm filming this, are the cards that are going in the box. So I'm not sharing what's on the back, but on the front is, and actually you won't be able to see this, so I'll just pop it up here. Maybe this will be my thumbnail. Anyway, so I wanted to share the illustration. So this illustration, I wanted something where you can keep it if you wanted to, you can give it away, but an illustration that you don't mind maybe having in your sewing space, your creative space, or maybe, you know, attached to something. I don't know, you can do whatever you want. It's just the card, it's a 4x6 card, and it talks about the box on the back, but on the front you see what I like to term a little young SewNaturalDane in the bed, dreaming of all of the things for the holiday to get as a sewist for the holiday season. And so that's what you see there. But yes, I am very excited about everything that is going in the box. I believe everything you will find, and this is with most, depending on the types of advent boxes. I know there's, you know, you can get coffee advents, tea, chocolates, and I've had sent those to family and stuff before, but the point is to, you know, have little surprises of different things that maybe you wouldn't necessarily purchase on your own, or you like little surprises, and ooh, this is fun. You know, it's like we're all kids again, and you have something to open up for 12 days. So anyway, and of course with the extra little treats inside. So here's what I will be doing. I will be, you all know I've tried Vlogmas before in the past. Y'all, that was too much. And I said I wouldn't do it again, but I will do it to an extent just for the advent box. I will do a unboxing, or, you know, opening up each item every day, starting on the, I think it's the 12th that is set for, the 12th through the 24th. That's through Christmas Eve. That's 12 days, yes. And so I will have a video that goes up. They'll probably be pretty short actually during that time frame, because it'll just be me opening the item and talking about it, and that's all I'll say. Have a little quick descriptor and, you know, unpackaging. So I will do that December 12th through the 24th, and so those, it'll be a short little video every day, so I'll do that. And yeah, that is what I wanted to come in and share with you, that the boxes are live. So everyone that is on the list have been notified at the time that this video is going live. I don't know where, you know, the people have been purchasing. I've been seeing it come throughout the day, all day. It went live to my members first, and then on last week, and then it went live to everybody on the list on Monday, and so now it's live to everybody. But there again, I don't know. I'm sure by the time you see this, there should be a few left. There really should be a few left, so make sure you head on over to the website. I'll have the link down in the description box, so you can head on over and yeah, make your purchase and get ready, because because yeah, that's going to be one of my things I'll be working on behind the scenes. Of course, you have some videos. I have some videos coming up of some different items and projects and whatnot that I've been working on. But yeah, in between, in the background, what you won't see, actually I'll probably do a separate video, and maybe that'll go up after I've done the 12 days. Yeah, because I'm sure I'll be showing everything in that video. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll probably do a wrap-up video of, you know, preparing the advent boxes. I'm not sure what I'll title it, so you can kind of see what I went through, my thought process of putting all the boxes together. I think that will be fun. So I will try my best to capture all of that, because I'll be starting that here soon, and I can just start recording and just dumping those videos off to the side and saving them up until I post it after the 12 each day of unboxing goes up. So that's what I'm thinking. So let me know if you've purchased a sewing theme advent box. Leave it down below. Put the box emoji or Christmas. Put either the Christmas tree emoji or the box emoji, whatever you find on your phone. Put those in the comment section, and if you're thinking about getting it, I say you should, because yeah, it's good. It's good, if I don't say so myself. So much so that there will be a box for 2026 for sure, because I had so many ideas, they just could not, yeah. Anyway, but you want this box. Don't miss getting this box. It is so good. So, all right, everybody, that's all I wanted to come in and say today. Again, the link to purchase the box is down in the description box. I'm sure there's a few left. Go ahead, grab them for yourself, friends, whatever. Send them for gifts if you so choose. So that's it. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for Sunday's video. That will be, we are already in November, right around the corner. Actually, I think I'm gonna record that video low-key right after I'm done with this. So yeah, stay tuned for Sunday's Sewing Buzz, November Sewing Buzz. And yeah, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate it. You all have a blessed and fantastic rest of your week. Grab your box. The link is down below. All right, everybody. Bye.